vodka maple peaches, and these have got a little, like 1 teaspoon of vodka in each well. So first what I do is take the peach, cut it in half, and then spoon out the middle so that you have that little well. Because I want the little well, though. You skip it because I'm going to pour the maple syrup and vodka, so it's going to hold the juices. So very gently going to just pour in a teaspoon into each well. Don't want to spill it all over the pan because it will spit. And I did this with Kate Hudson, and I put the vodka in because she does this really great King Street vodka.
Yes, we know.
Do a recipe with her vodka. And she and I cooked it. We did a virtual cook along. So we like FaceTimed each other, and her boyfriend is a great editor, a director. So he was filming it. So it was really good fun. I'm just going to flip these over. So I've got the vodka, the maple syrup, and a little drizzle of olive oil. And now I'm going to gently turn them over. And these are just going to cook. You put them in bottom side down first, and now you turn them over so the cup side down. And can you hear that? Doesn't that sound good?
I really can.
That little syrupy sizzle.
Do you cook it a shorter time on the flip side?
I kind of do both. I do sort of 7 minutes each side, but it depends how soft they are. So here it's sort of, if you just want it to be sort of nice and darkly, you sort of see it sort of gone a darker sort of golden color underneath. But these are like really lovely. They've got this vodka maple syrup, but then also I'm going to put on these lovely green pistachios, and then that little hint of tarragon with the herbs. So all of them coming together literally is a flavor explosion in your mouth. I'm actually going to chop up some of the nuts now. Okay. So I'm just going to do 3 tablespoons. I'm going to roughly chop them so I can scatter them. But also it's that lovely green of the pistachios, and it adds a little protein as well. So I can argue that it's beautiful.
I love pistachios.
I think this is done. I'm going to just...
Okay,
you just want them to go a little browner on there, but this syrup is really... Can you see how that's just bubbling away now, the syrup?
It's gorgeous.
So good.
It's gorgeous.
Sorry, I'm just getting distracted by... I'm about to stuff my face. I so wish we were together in person. And I could give you some
I would love to try it too.
I just need to get the syrup. So I'm just taking a couple of them out, and then I just always have to get a bit of the syrup and put it in the well.
You're a saucy one.
Don't you love that sizzly smell? Sound? I love that sound of the
when
sizzle.
The sugar starts to caramelize and that aroma comes into the air. Yeah. How gorgeous.
And then I'm just going to get a scattering of the pistachios, and then a little... Whoops. Yeah, and a little bit of ice cream, because ice cream always cheers you up. And this one's amazing. It's made with like a coconut milk, and it's got little vanilla beans in it. So,
yummy.
What do you think?
Yum. I think it's stunning. It's just beautiful.
Thank you, my dear. Just flip that around for presentation. Although it's all going to be eaten immediately, let's face it. There we go. Here we are.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, brava, brava.